So this was my project for local hack day at the University of Ottawa. It is December the 1st, 2019. So basically the project is a mailbox alert system so that when your mailbox is open and you have mail in your mailbox, you get an email as well as an update on a screen. And this is completely wireless. I used an XB module which was programmed with the required software. And these two modules communicate wirelessly, and we have a Python program monitoring the serial monitor output from this Arduino to send the email notification. So let's give it a try. This would be typically replaced with a motion sensor, but just for demo purposes, I replaced it with a push button. So mailbox gets open, mail gets dropped in the mailbox, motion sensor gets triggered, you see that you have snail mail. And you'll see, hopefully, there we go. We have an email that says I now have mail. So that was my hack. Thank you for watching.